All right, here we got my 2022 Conqueror UEV 440. It's a fantastic trailer. It does come with AC and heating, but in order to run it, I need to run my generator, 110 volt, and it's not really practical. I think it takes up too much space, and it doesn't really work too well. So I'm gonna take it out. It's that device right there, or that's the unit right there, I should say. Doesn't look like it's too complicated. You got that vent right there. That's for the AC. And you got another vent right here that goes into the trailer. That's for the heater. So yeah, all right, it's coming along. First thing, it's a couple straps. These straps come in through here, go around on both sides, one right here and one right here. And there's 4 of these screws that go on each corner, one here, one back there, one right here, and one back there. All right, so far so good. And look, it's already moving around. You do have an outlet that's right there. The fridge is right on the other side of this. I didn't pull the trailer all the way out of the garage. If I would have done that, I would have took the fridge out, or at least take the slide out. But we'll see how it goes. Back there's a wire. That's the wire to the controller that's inside the trailer, and I'll show you here in a little bit. But that wire is right here, so you do have to unplug this before you take it out. And that wire this one runs up here, and then this other one runs to the controller over there. And you also have that vent that goes to the inside of each side of the trailer. I'm gonna have to take that off as well. And down here, you gotta be careful with this here. You have to take this out. It's right here. You gotta lift up in order to pull it out. And looks like there's one in here as well. Inside here. Oh yeah, there's a vent down here at the bottom. Cool. Gotta get that out. Well, that was easy. Came right out. Here's that plug for that other connection, which is this one here that I was talking about. And then here's the vent. Next, you can see it right back there. I'll probably reuse this, maybe. I'm not sure yet. And there's this one. Again, it goes one from one side of the trailer. This goes to the other. We may use this in case I put the zero breeze in here, but I think it's gonna be better if I just put it inside the actual trailer when we use it. And then here's the plug. Here's the back of the AC unit. Yeah, this thing doesn't really work very well, so that's kind of cool. Looks like that. And there. And then right back here is the actual plug. And that's the fridge again. I didn't take the slide out, but that's pretty much it. It's out. Yeah. Not bad. All right, so now I'm gonna take this off and see what I could clean up in here. I might keep this in here, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it works when it comes to storage and how I want to use this area. But that's it. All right, so here's that controller. There's that vent I was talking about, and those other 2 hoses that go on each side. This is what I was referring to. There's a vent right there, and there's a vent on this side. And then this one is the AC. So I'm gonna remove this and take this off, and we'll take it from there. It was easy, just pull the cover off, and then there was 2 screws or tied into that, so, or screwed into that. Pull that off, and I got the cable has some 3M tape in there with some little strap to hold it into place. So I'm gonna take that off now. Yeah, this thing was definitely sucking some power whenever I tried using it, and it really wasn't cooling down. And I think it's just because of the design of the trailer. They had the right idea, but no, it just doesn't work for me. I don't know, I'm still thinking that it's gonna be better if I just put it inside. I think it'll perform better. I'll show you inside, see what I have in mind. That way I could just take this out. I mean, I'm sure, it definitely weighs something, but if I take that out, for example, take this out, like I said, look at that, it weighs nothing. This is awesome, and it works fantastic. The Zero Breeze works really, really well. Yeah, I mean, taking this out and getting rid of these here and covering that down there somehow, maybe welding a piece of metal down there or something. Look at the amount of space that's gonna give me for storage. We got some storage here, little bags, but I mean, it's kind of cool, but you know, that's kind of cool. But this right here, I could do a lot in that area. Again, this is the one vent that the AC would be working from, unless I were to use those vents, but then the air would be coming out through here. I mean, this thing, I don't know. I'm thinking this is gonna be better. Whenever I need to use it, this little shelf here actually fits perfect. There's another shelf here closer to the bed, the main bed, but it fits, but it's kind of snug there, and I don't want it to be touching anything over here. Right here, just it fits perfect. It's just perfect. And then this vent, and this is more of a kind of direct personal AC unit, and it could just blow in here. And once the bed is laid out, obviously it slides back over there. I think this is the best scenario. And I mean, this area here, it's supposed to cover about 40 square feet, and I think this little unit's gonna do well. And again, like I said, I mean, I could literally carry it in the truck when we're traveling, or I could find some sort of little storage area. That way it's nice and safe, and store it where the old unit was when we're traveling. And whenever I'm gonna use it, just pull it out, set it up. Less weight. Yeah, I think that might work. Yeah, we'll do that. And in terms of venting out, these windows, I could just zip it up and just leave this one area open for the exhaust. Yep, I think this might work. Yeah, once I power everything up, we'll see. All right, I took the bolts off. There was one on each corner. One right there, one back there, and then these were at the bottom, right here, and right back there in the corner. That's it. It's gonna come right out, see what it looks like. I was starting to pull it out, and I completely forgot that we have this outlet that's actually mounted to this, so I'm gonna have to relocate that. But I still think this is a good idea, because the amount of space this area is gonna give me, I think it's gonna work out great. So let's get that removed. So I'll go ahead and take those screws off, have the outlet out. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Now I don't even know if I need power back here. The fridge is already powered up. It's got a different connection for that. It runs back over there, but I don't know. I may relocate this, kind of check to see where else I can mount it. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna take it out for now. All right, AC is out. The shelf is out. It's a lot of space. I like it. So I'm gonna try to figure out what we're gonna do in here. Probably some shelves or something. I don't know, we'll see. We'll check it out. See if the kayaks fit in here. Start with that. To remove the outlet, I really don't need power back here now that I took the unit out. I'm debating if I should just pull the wire out all the way through, but I might just zip tie it and just kind of make sure this is nice and secure in case I do change my mind. I have the option. Take it from there. Didn't really specify when I said maybe my kayaks would fit in here. I have the Oru kayaks, so they're foldable. So I thought, well, maybe they'll fit in here, but no, after just some measuring, didn't fit. Didn't seem like it was gonna fit, but you know, I thought I'd give it a try. But yeah, they totally don't fit. All right, I think this is gonna be the best solution for me. I don't have to put a rack in there. I think this is actually perfect for me because I always carry these 2 chairs with me and this camp table. So I got 2 of these chairs. The ARB chairs are pretty big, full-size chairs, and this King Camp table. So I always carry that with me. And although I have 2 of these containers, these front runners, I don't want to over carry. So this is great for storage. I actually cleared some of the things that I actually have inside the trailer in the cubbies and transferred them into there. And I don't have anything here. I mean, I have extra space if I need to put some stuff there, but for now, this actually works beautifully for me. So now let's take a look at the AC option. It's gonna be inside the trailer. I'll show you how that's gonna work. Great little unit. This thing runs awesome. It comes with the battery as well. This battery pack, they say it runs about 6 hours. It also has this connection where you could actually plug the back of the Zero Breeze and it connects to the battery. Then you got some options where you got some USB ports where you could charge some other stuff. The problem is I picked this up on Marketplace. These units cost roughly about $1,600 with the battery pack, maybe $1,400 if you get it on sale, the battery pack and the unit, but that's a little pricey. I did pick it up on Marketplace for a great price because this battery does not work. However, for how I'm going to use it, this scenario with the Vitoman that's coming, I mean, this thing was a steal. So it's going to work perfect for me. My area is not that big, and I could always extend this to go directly to this bed. And once I enclose this whole area, you know, zip everything up, it should definitely do the job. And I mean, even with this, I mean, we're pulling right now 242 watts, and I'm at 74% with this Jackery 500. That's not too bad. Obviously, right now I'm in the garage. I'm in Arizona. It's 108 degrees outside, I believe, if not hotter. And I'm in the garage, so I'm sure it's probably even hotter. So this thing is running pretty hard. And I do actually feel that heat coming out here. So it's definitely running pretty hard. But I feel that cold air, and I think it's going to be plenty for us. The other option, the way this was designed, like I said, this was the only vent for the AC. That's, you know, to cool this whole thing off with the 9,000 BTU. I mean, it's a great AC unit, but for this space and the way it's designed, and the space that it was taking, it just doesn't make much sense to me. Instead of having just this, it's normally just my wife and I that are in the trailer, so this is going to be plenty for us. Yeah, so anyway, so thought I would share that with you guys. Yeah, it's a cool little option, you know, good to have some options, but now I'm going to have to find a way to cap that vent here as well as this hole. This is where that controller was, so I'll find something to plug that up with. But yeah, I'm keeping those vents alone. I'm not even touching those. I'm leaving that alone, but it should be good. All right, guys. Hope this helped you guys out. I don't know if any of you guys have these Conquerors UEV 440, but you got some options. Hopefully this helps you guys out. All right, peace.